Welcome back to Session 12 of GED Geometry Review. Cones and spheres are classic formula sheet shapes. You will be given the formulas on the test, so the skill is substituting carefully and not forgetting the fractions. Here are the two formulas. A cone's volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. A sphere's volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Notice the cone has a 1/3 out front, and the sphere uses r cubed. The cone formula is really the cylinder formula divided by 3. In fact, 3 identical cones fill one matching cylinder exactly. So a cone holds 1/3 of the cylinder with the same radius and height. Let's do a cone with radius 3 and height 4. Pi r squared h is 3.14 times 9 times 4, which is 113.04. Now take 1/3 of that, 37.68 cubic units. Now, a sphere with radius 3. Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. R cubed is 27, times pi is about 84.78, times 4/3 gives about 113.0 cubic units. The biggest mistake is solving a cone like a cylinder and forgetting the 1/3. If you compute the cylinder value and stop, your answer is 3 times too big. Always finish by dividing by 3. Quick check. A cone has the same radius and height as a cylinder. What fraction of the cylinder's volume is the cone? It is 1/3, because the cone formula has that 1/3 out front. To recap, a cone is 1/3 pi r squared h, and a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. The cone is 1/3 of the matching cylinder. Substitute from the formula sheet, and keep your cubic units. Nice work! Practice a cone and a sphere on your own, and I'll see you in the next session.